Which flower do you think deserves the crown for most beautiful on Earth? From rare patterns to romantic petals, these 20 stunning blooms aren't just eye candy, they're living masterpieces. Some are legendary, some nearly extinct, and others, well, they just don't look real. Let's explore the 20 prettiest flowers in the world and why each one deserves a place in nature's Hall of Fame. Orchids don't just bloom, they pose. With over 28,000 species and perfectly symmetrical forms, orchids range from elegant whites to wild neon patterns. Once a Victorian obsession, they remain unmatched in the elegance department. Nicknamed naked ladies for blooming after their leaves disappear, fall crocuses flaunt soft purple and lavender goblet-shaped blooms. They arrive late in the season and linger like a final encore. But beware, beauty can be toxic, literally. Each blossom lives for a single day, but what a day it is. Daylilies pop open in waves of orange, red, and pink, filling your garden with daily surprises for weeks. They're short-lived, yes, but they don't need constant attention. Tall, regal, and refined. Dutch irises bloom in bright yellow, royal purple, and snowy white, waving like silken flags in the breeze. Their elegance makes them a favorite for spring bouquets and floral arrangements. Like bursts of lavender fireworks, Lily of the Nile shoots up tall clusters of starry flowers. Native to South Africa, these dramatic blooms love the spotlight, and they keep their glossy green leaves all year. From fluffy balls to wild spiky stars, dahlias come in every shape and color. A favorite of Queen Victoria and a symbol of grace under pressure. These blooms add drama wherever they grow. Black dahlias, mysterious and legendary. Looking like a fantasy flower drawn by a child with neon markers. Coleria sports spots, stripes, and bold patterns on velvety petals. Almost lost to history, this tropical beauty is now making a colorful comeback. A symbol of luck, mourning, and celebration around the world, the humble mum wears many hats. From tiny pom-poms to giant spider blooms, the variety and longevity of chrysanthemums earn them a spot among the floral elite. If you've ever dreamed of a rose that smells heavenly, blooms repeatedly, and looks like a painting, this is it. David Austin bred the best of old-world romance with modern resilience to create over 200 dreamy varieties. They're everything roses should be. Towering spires of electric blue, white, and lavender shoot up to 6 feet tall. Loved by bees and butterflies, delphiniums are the skyscrapers of the garden world, with petals soft as whispers. They look like fairy gloves, and yes, foxgloves are as magical as their name. Tall spires covered in bell-shaped flowers dazzle pollinators and humans alike. But don't eat them, they're famously toxic. Imagine velvet petals painted with swirling streaks of fire and gold. That's the painted tongue. Straight from Chile, these trumpet-shaped flowers bloom in red, purple, and yellow, with artful veins across each petal. They look hand-drawn, but they're real and surprisingly easy to grow in cool summers. Spiky, surreal, and almost alien. Proteas look like they came from a sci-fi movie, but these South African flowers represent transformation. Plant one and your garden will never look boring again. Like a purple waterfall frozen midair, Wisteria cascades over pergolas and walls in fragrant racemes. Romantic, graceful, and absolutely show-stopping in full bloom. Hydrangeas are floral mood rings, turning pink or blue depending on the soil. Their massive mop-head blooms fill summer gardens with soft color, and a single bush can feel like a bouquet factory. One look and you'll understand why it's called the passion flower. This otherworldly bloom with alien-like petals and bright bracts only lasts a day, but when it opens, it demands your attention. Delicate and airy, wildflowers sway like dancers. The anemone's soft poppy-like petals appear in reds, blues, and whites, often said to cradle fairies in myth and folklore. Parrot tulips are tulips turned up to 11, ruffled, twisted, and wildly colorful. They bloom in spring with petals that look like feathered paintbrushes caught in a whirlwind. Big, bold, and beauty-boosting, hibiscus flowers scream tropical vacation. With huge trumpet-shaped blooms in every shade, these summer stunners are also skincare royalty. Graceful, subtle, and full of romance. Japanese camellias are nature's porcelain sculptures. Loved for their layers, fragrance, and poetic beauty, these winter-spring bloomers are a favorite of perfume makers and poets alike. From quiet elegance to bold brilliance, these 20 flowers prove that nature is the greatest artist of all. Which one stole your heart? Drop your favorite in the comments below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring the bell for more floral wonders every week.